for a while. What do you say, guys?
Tornado warning for the following counties in central Virginia: northern Campbell, Lynchburg City, and the following county in south central Virginia, east central Bedford. Until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:44 p.m., the National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a tornado between Bedford City and Forest, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Some locations threatened through 5:15 p.m. include Lynchburg City and Rustburg. The safest place to be during a tornado is in the basement. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement's available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway or room, such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body and always stay away from windows. Once again, the National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a tornado warning effective until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for northern Campbell, Lynchburg City, and east central Bedford counties.
Here at 88, the rest of the guys go by him off turn 2.
That car was to that